How to fix ChatGPT too many requests, try again later. So our first solution is to clear ChatGPT's cookies. To do this, open your browser, click on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen, click on Settings, then click on Cookies and Other Site Data. We scroll down and click on All Site Data and Permission. Search OpenAI in the search bar, and to clean the data stored in this, click on the trash icon, and then click on Clear. Now close your browser and open it again just to refresh the browser. Now if the problem is not solved, we will now proceed to the second solution. Our second solution is to create a new account. We may have used the ChatGPT too much within an hour. That's why the site is crashing. To do this, go to OpenAI site, click on Try, Sign Up, and choose how to create your account. I'll be using a Google account. Choose an account and we need to confirm our phone number. Click on Send Code. After typing in the 6-digit code, open ChatGPT, and as you can see, you can now use the ChatGPT. So that is how you fix ChatGPT too many requests. Try again later. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.